Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a separate haul video of the kits I'll be using for the month of December. Wow, I almost said October. My name is Chelsea and I do a lot of planner videos. And this is a TheCraftyStudent haul. Yes, another one. So I wanted to just go through the 4 kits I'm going to be using. They all have the exact same stuff, they're just different deco pieces as well as different colors, obviously. So go ahead and just get right into it. The first one I'm going to show you is Gingerbread Fields. This is actually going to be the first week of December that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do Gingerbread Fields, Candy, Coated House, Hello Winter, and then Christmas bucket list for the week of Christmas. So yeah, let's get into it. These are weekly kits. There are 6 pages, and then I added the functional sheet for each one of them. And I'll show you just a quick thing for each one. It's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to show you what I got. And I'm only going to go through it once. I'm going to show you what's actually in the kit, and then I'm just going to flip through the rest of them. So this is Gingerbread Fields. This is the functional sheet. All of the sheets will be the same. All of the functional sheets will be the same. So there's 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, 4 fat appointment boxes, 4 skinny appointment boxes, and then a bunch of flags. And this will be the same but different colors. So there's that. This is the whole deco boxes. That comes with little flags at the bottom. This one has 9 boxes. Some kits will have a double box at the bottom. Oh wait, speaking of, there's a double box right here. You can't tell through the camera, but there's a double box right here, which makes it easier to pick out a cipher. So there's the full box deco, header sheet, today to do little things, 6 half boxes, 6 quarter boxes, and then 6 half ombre check boxes. And then the ombre check boxes are 7 of those, 2 of the weekly trackers, and then some icons. Little things, 2 daily habit trackers, canceled and not today stickers, and then a bunch of icons as well. The weekend banner and the payday, which is super cute. And here's the planner. And then the date covers, a bunch of random headers, and skinny checklists, and then some icons, and 3 bill dues. And then, of course, the washi. You got the bottom washi, and then 4 full box washies. So there's going to be a bunch of strips of 4 different decos, and then there's also this one that comes with 3, a skinny one, a medium sized one, and then a larger one. If you've seen any of my videos, any of my planner videos, you know all of these get used right away. And that is the Gingerbread Fields. And now here is the Candy Coated House. And this one comes with a double box. Color's beautiful. Show you the planner and the weekend. This one right here is one that I have used before. These are 2 of the newer ones. This is a newer one, and this one, like I said, this is an older one. I've actually used this one before in my personal. This is Hello Winter. this is a photo kit. There's that one, and last one is Christmas bucket list. With a double box. Alright, those are the 4 kits I'm going to use. Christmas bucket list, Hello Winter, Candy Coated House, and Gingerbread Wheels. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!